So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. It looks like she's gonna do a big chop here. So there is the inspiration. Yeah, to be honest, when you are thinking about cutting your hair, you do it for a while. Like you sit and you just kind of say, is this really something I want to do? Because it's a big decision going from having long hair to short. So let's see what the stylist ends up doing. So there he is, chopping off all of that hair. Wow. Now this pixie does feature an undercut. Oh, this is so chic and stylish. There is the before. And there is that after. Absolutely beautiful. Such a fun makeover, and I love the dramaticness behind this style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some hair transformations. So here we have someone with black hair. She does have some beautiful curly hair here. And she decides to mix up her curly hair with some color. Now, if you guys have not checked out my fall hair color video, definitely be sure to check it out. I talked about how one of the ways that you can shake up curly hair this season is by trying out some color. This is a beautiful red tone against her complexion. Oh, so gorgeous. She looks absolutely beautiful. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to show it some love, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. She's got a few pieces of some grown out color going there in the front. And it looks like she got a nice color refresh, a play on that beige blonde. Money piece highlights, contrasting trend. And she also got the color going in the back. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, if you wanted to play around with pops of color, this would be a great way to do so. It's actually called the color blocking trend, where you're just doing big blocks of different color variations. Next up, it looks like we have another color transformation. Now she does have like an orange copper tone going on here. So let's see if she does something completely different or if she's getting a refresh. Ooh, looks like she also went with like the color blocking money piece highlight trend. We see some red going here in the sink bowl. Darker hair in the back. Oh, she mostly got her bangs colored. So this would be another great hair option to try. getting the colored bangs going. It actually looks like, wow, okay, so she's got the red going there, and then it moves into black, and then it moves into brown. Very cool. And then we have a similar take here with another colored style. She's got that pop of neon yellow going there. That is so pretty. A few sprinkles of purple, turquoise, blue. Wow, very beautiful. Next up, we have a bit of a shaggy pixie cut style. Seeing a lot of shags this season. Even the pixie is being updated with more of a shaggy shape. And then we see a full-on transformation as she decides to shake things up with this rocker chic inspired style. Very nice. Now, this is definitely a cool girl style that we are seeing trending heavily this fall season. Very cute. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of these gorgeous hair transformations.